Hello everyone, let's now have a look for another hairdo. Here I'm taking the hair from two different sides and then tying them together using the rubber band, and I'm giving them the internal twist. The leftover hair is taken and converted into a ponytail. Then you just have to take that ponytail and twist it into the bun. The leftover hair from two ends is to be converted into the braid strands as apparent on your screens. Once you're done with this thing, then you just have to fix it properly. You can just convert it into a fancy look by placing a fancy hairpin. This is our another hairstyle. Here we are taking the two different strands from the two different ends and then we are converting it into the braids. You can repeat the same process for the other two sides as apparent on your screen. Don't skip any step. Follow each step in a sequential manner. You can just pause the video and then try to make this fish tail first after the classical braid and just fix it in a proper position. This one is another hairstyle. It's best suitable for the long silky length hair. You just have to take some of the strands and give them the internal twist. Some of the hair is to be kept open as shown on your screens. You can just pause the video or you can just repeat it so that you will follow each step in a sequential manner. If we will talk about the difficulty level of this type of the hairstyle, then this one is a little bit difficult. You just have to repeat it once or twice so that you can just make it perfectly. Don't skip any step. This is very important. Let's move with another hairstyle. Here we are taking some of the hair strands as shown apparent on your screens from the two different ends and tie them together using the rubber band, and you just have to give them the internal twist. The leftover hair is to be converted into the lower ponytail, and see how I'm just turning it into a bun. Now we just have to take the hair that we have kept away, then you have to convert it into the braid, and you can just loosen it in order to add the volume and give it a messy type of the hair bun look. This looks quite good and easy. It's best suitable for the office going girls. You can also decorate it using any fancy hairpin, or you can just keep it as it is. Let's move further with another hairstyle. This one is again best suitable for the long length hair. Here we are taking few of the hair strands and you can see how we are fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band. After that, the leftover hair is taken and converted into the bun, decorated with some of the fancy hairpins. This one is another hairstyle. It's best suitable for the long length hair. Here we are taking some of the hair and fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band. Then we are converting the leftover hair into the braid, and see how I'm just opening it and losing it, giving it a messy type hairdo. It looks quite good and easy. Just give it a try. This type of the hair bun is inspired from the rose type of the hairstyle. This looks cool and good. Then the leftover hair is converted into the classical braid. It looks so nice and pretty. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is again best suitable for the long length hair. You just have to take some of the strands from the two different ends, and after that you just have to build a braid out of it like shown here. You just have to repeat the same process, and now we are left with the two braids, and then you just have to give them the internal twist as shown here. See how we are giving them the internal twist. Once these twists are ready, just tie them together using the rubber band and pin. Thank you for watching our videos.